Okay guys, today I'm gonna make aloo paratha. It's potato, mashed potato. This is green onion, cilantro, black pepper, turmeric, and salt. So we're gonna mix it, and I'm gonna show you later. So guys, I have already mixed everything. So I'm heating pan, and I'm gonna put some oil, and I'm gonna pour the oil over here. So you can add like a little bit of oil. Make like a ball, and I have put some flour here, so you're gonna just roll it like this. So I know it's gonna be a little bit hard. I can't make any like perfect shape, but it's fine. So I'm gonna put the butter, and then after I'm gonna just put this one. So we're gonna put some potato here. So make it like a dumpling. You can just roll it. You can just make it like round, and then after you just have to roll it like slowly. Okay.